Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ghazi Khan Jatoi from BBA 2K17, Sindh University campus Ladkana. My topic is Operation Management, assigned by Madam Yusra Mustafa. Outlines 1. Concept of Operation Management. Objectives. Importance. 2. Supply chain management importance. Example 3. Management function: planning, organizing, leading, staffing, controlling. 4. Role of operation management. 1. Concept of operations management. What is operation management? Operation management is the administration of business practice to create the highest level of efficiency possible when in organization it is contract with converting material and labor into it is with converting material and labor into goods services efficiently as possible to maximize the profit of organization. Operation management terms attempt to basics balance cost with revenue to achieve the highest net operation profit possible. Operation management. Operation management is the administration of business practice to create the highest level of efficiently possible when in organization. Operation management is concerned with converting materials and labor into goods and services and efficiently as possible. Corporate operation management professional try to balance cost with revenue to maximize net operating profit. Objectives. The main objectives of the operation management can be readily classified to resource and customer services. Customer services, it is the prime objective to provide the customer with a specific product in terms of cost and timing. It the other words, it may be definite at providing to the customer which is right thing, right price at the right time to achieve this objective. It is also the function such as making transportation, supply chain and services. Journal. Any organization would always put it but efforts to achieve the stated mentioned above. Objectives. Resource utilization. To achieve the customer satisfaction in organization has to use their resource efficiently. Organization managers focus is more on resource utilization to reduce their loss under utilization of waste order to make the maximum benefits. The other functions that are also equally important are time, equality, space and activities in the process. Importance of OM, operation management. K. Benefits of efficient operation management. Product quality. The first unit typically from that checks deliberately revalue a product in the operation management. Operation management says the quality of products or goods which would set customer and after delivery when product is of quality it you can is compared to your importance to productly product is definite in the ratio of input to output and it is the only way to verification implies input operation management insertion important staffing of employees to research so as the get maximum result the only way issues productly the through in effective operation management. Importance of operation management. 3 customer suggestion. There is a feeling for a manager or an employee is a customer getting the utmost situation or operation management right ensure the cult with quality product customer make organization develop and they must be trade will in every necessary and possible for reduced operating cost. Third, productly quality production and customer satisfaction cost incurred and product serving is maximally reduced that leading to increased never only operation management can you make possible in readingly operation cost there is also X number size of product is required we are proper operation management. To supply chain management. What is supply chain management? SCM. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods service include all process that transform raw materials into final product in influence the activities streams of the business supply side activities to maximum customer value and gain combination advantages in the marketplace. Importance. The coordination of the supply chain activities starting with raw materials and ending with certification consumer include suppliers, manufacturers and or service provide distributes will receives final customer large portion of sales dealers spend and purchased supply relationship including intelligent long term improve innovation speed design reset cost managing supply relation is added implies. Example of CSM based on the idea that nearly every product that comes to market result from the efforts of various organizations that make up a supply chain. A third supply chain have extension to most companies have only recently and ancient of the as value add to their operation in SCM. The supply chain manager contains the lesson of it species of supply chain which consumer of the parts the plan strategy the source of raw material and or service materialing first or product and efficiently delivery and lights the return system for detected or internal product. 3. Management is the coordinating and administration of task to achieve a goal. Such administration activities include in setting an organization structure and coordinating the efforts of steps on these objectives through the application of available resource. Management can be also referred to the scientific structure of staff members which in organization. Functions of management. The four basic functions of management are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These functions work together in the creation, execution, or realizing of organizing goals. The four function of management can be consumed a process where each function builds and promoting function to be successful. Manager needs to follow of the four function of management in the proper order: planning, organizing, leading, controlling. Function of management. Planning. In the planning state, manager establishes organization goals or create course of action to achieve them. During to planning phase, management marketing strategy decision to set a direct for the organization. Managers pressing efforts ultimator achieve the object before choosing the best course of action. While planning, managers typically conduct reporting analysis of the organization current state of affairs, taking into control and vision and mission and available what resources are available to meet organization objective. Organization. The purpose of organization is the distribute the resource and delighting task to person to achieve the goals established as planning state. Managers might need to work with other departments of the organization such as finance and human resource to organize that budget to stepping during to organization steps. Managers strive to create a work environment conducive productively. Manager establish take employees motivation and actuality into account, match employees with roles and tasks that best fit their ultimate. Leading concerns of motivation employees and influencing their behavior to achieve organization objectives. Leading focus in management such task through. Manager might discipline term member by giving orders during to hear. Manager has are successful leaders usually content with their employees of using interesting skill to increase employment motivation terms number to perform to be best of their abilities. Controlling is the process of evaluating the estimate of the plan and making adjustments institution the organization goals. During to controlling state, manager perform tasks such as training employees as necessary, managing details. Manager monitor employees and evaluation the quality of the work they conducting performance operation and give employees Facebook providing positive remark on what are doing we and suggestion for important. They also offer pay roles inviting high performing employee. Role of operation management. Operation management are responsible for managing activities that are part of production of goods and services. Their direct responsible including managing both of operation process, design, planning, controlling performance improvement and operation strategy. There including responsibility including with those manager in the function accused within organization. In other function arrest within an organization, those rules have impacted operation. Such areas include marketing, finance, accounting, personnel and engineering. Continued. Operation managers responsible including human resource management, the people employed by human engineering their work, design, create good service or promote super to those who do people and we the management key responsible of organization ascent management organization building function stop directly involved support the operation function cost management most the cost of providing goods and service directly latent cost of accounting resource trainings them are dealing to the help customer farm a organization in private sector during down cost through efforts operation management give them controlling completing edg for organization in the not for profit sector the ability to manage cost is not a importance. Thank you so much.